Don't you hate it when you throw your microwave out the window onto a butterfly and then it breaks? I just hate when that happens. And that's why I made a Lego microwave. And since I have a Lego microwave, I have some top ramen chicken flavored. Not sponsored, by the way, and it's probably expired. So let's open the door and put it in. There we go. Then you want to close the door up just like that. Then you want to enter the time. So let's go with a small 3 hours. There we go. And now let's push the start button. There you go. And now we wait. I think it's ready. So let's press the open button. And now let's open the door. And there you have it. You have a delicious piece of ramen that you can enjoy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye!